So good morning, class 7 children. Today we'll revise chapter number 14, electric current and its effect with the help of PPT. And afterwards, we'll do the assignment of this chapter. So children, before electrical components are there, few of the components, electric cell, bulb, switch on, off, battery, wires, we all use these components to make the electric circuit. And when we use to make the electric circuit, what happens? It's very difficult to draw the electric cell again and again, electric bulb, switch like this way, the way we are using the safety pin, battery. So it is very much tough to draw all these diagrams again and again. So to get rid of what we are doing, we are using the symbols for these electrical components. So the symbol, like you can see, symbol for electrical cell. Electric cell is this symbol. Electric bulb is the symbol is on the screen. Switch on or off. This is off position. Switch in the off position because means the circuit is open. There is a gap between the switch. And the switch is on the on position. There is no gap. The current is flowing. The circuit is closed. Next is battery. Battery means this double triple of the cell. If we are saying the battery of two cells, then we draw the symbols of these two cells. अब यहाँ पे क्या है 1, 2, 3. It means this is a battery of 3 cells. In this battery, how many cells are there? 3 cells are there. Okay. Next wire. Wire के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Simple single line will draw. A single line for the wire. So I want each one of you to draw practice for these symbols. Children, if the question comes that draw the battery of 4 cells, then what will you doing it? You will be adding like 1, 2, 3.
We make the symbol of battery 4 times.
Symbol of cell 4 times. Okay. And you know what does this smaller line shows? What does this
part?
Smaller?
Negative.
Yes, smaller is showing negative.
Negative
And
part.
yes, negative part. And what does this? This is a negative part. Negative part. And this one is a bigger line. Bigger is showing the
This is a
positive point. In the same way, you can write down positive, negative. This is negative. This is negative. Smaller line is negative. Kindly write down, children. This is positive. Positive. Mark it. This is negative. Smaller line is negative. Again, this one is positive. Okay? Because it has 2 terminals. So one is positive. Longer line is always positive. Then negative. Then positive. Positive, negative. One is complete. You can mention also here in the cell structure of this cell. Symbol of cell. Okay. I hope I am clear with it. Longer line is showing the positive terminal and smaller line is showing the negative terminal. And children, whenever you are drawing the symbol of it, you have to mention. Okay. आपको ये positive, negative लिखना है इसमें. Only then you are able to draw it. Okay. Next is electric cell. Let's read about the electric cell. Yes, Vansh Sharma, read this paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Electric cell has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. The symbol of an electric cell has a longer line and a shorter line. The longer line is the positive terminal and the shorter line is the negative terminal.
I hope it is clear to you. Okay, and definition of battery is battery. What is it? It is a combination of 2 or more cells. How many cells are there in this battery?
4.
In this cell holder, how many cells are? 2 cells are there. And what about here? How many cells are connected together?
There are 3.
3.
Ma'am,
Let's see the way it is connected. It's very, very important. First is positive, then negative, then positive, then negative, positive, negative. What will happen if you will be connecting negative, negative or positive, positive? what will happen?
The circuit will not work.
Yes, the current will not flow through it. The circuit will not complete. Already you have done this concept in your few questions were there. Yes. So Vansh Sharma is showing this cell holder also. Two cells are there as he had made from this box, tic-tac box. He has used his own mind to make the cell holder. Okay. Like this smaller box is there. You can, if any of the smaller box is there. Yes, Vansh Sharma able to see. Good. If you are having any of this smaller box at your home, you can make your own cell holder with it. Okay. So here are three cells. Positive, negative, positive, negative. I think it's clear to you that you have to connect positive with negative and then negative with the positive. Okay. Next is. So this is electric cell and battery we had done. Next, children. Vansh Sharma, do the next one. Vansh Sharma, do the next one. Next slide. Next is a simple circuit. Let's make a simple circuit. Simple circuit, what does it include? Electric bulb, switch, cell, bulb and switch. These three things are there. Okay? And if you have to use the symbol, children, it's very important. I want each one of you to draw a rough circuit of this closed electric circuit and open circuit. Open circuit में क्या आएगा आपके पास? Switch will be open. ठीक है? Switch is open. It means current is flowing or not? No, current is not flowing. Current flow नहीं करेगा तो bulb.
Because one part is not connected properly.
Yes. Okay. Next is the next one. See this part. Closed electric circuit. Closed electric circuit में क्या the current is flowing or not?
Yes, because there is no nothing is open.
Yes. Oh, no, nothing is open. The circuit is closed and the bulb is glowing. Okay, the bulb is glowing. See, ये जो आपके पास lines दे रखी है इसका क्या मतलब है कि the bulb is glowing as the circuit is closed, switch is closed. Okay, so this is the circuit by using the symbols. Here we have used the symbols and here we had drawn the diagram. So which one is more convenient for you to draw? Tell. This one with the diagram or this one with the, yes, it is more convenient to use the symbols to draw the circuit. Okay. Next is anything you want to ask, children? Open and close circuit. After that, we'll discuss two effects. Two effects.
Yes, ma'am. Heating effect of an electric current.
Vansh Sharma has read.
Yes, ma'am. Heating effect of an electric current. When electric current flows through a wire, the wire gets heated. This is called heating effect of the electric current. Activity. Make an electric circuit as shown in the figure. Make an electric circuit as shown in the figure. Take a 10 centimeter long nichrome wire and tie it between the two nails. Switch on the current. After a few seconds, test the wire. The wire feels hot. Then switch off the current. After a few seconds, test the wire again. It does not feel hot. This shows that electric current flows through the wire. It gets heated.
Okay, children. So this is the activity. You have to make a circuit. These are two nails. Two nails are there, and between two nails we have joined a nichrome wire, and that two ends of the nail are connected with the cell and this switch. When we switch it on, then what happened? The current start flowing, and when the current flows, what happened? This nichrome wire gets heated. So what does it shows? It shows the heating effect of electric current. Okay. If the question comes that how you can show the heating effect of electric current, so you can write down this. Next, beta. Vansh Sharma, next. One more
Okay,
effect
ma'am.
is here, magnetic effect of electric current. So uses of heating effect in our daily life where we are using. Yes, Mahi, read this.
Okay, ma'am. The heating effect of electric current is used in the electric appliances like electric heater, electric iron, electric room heater, immersion heater, electric kettle, hair dryer, etc. All these appliances have coil of wire called an element. When electric current flows through the element, it becomes hot and gives out heat. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends upon its material, length, and thickness.
Okay, it's very important, children. So example, you have seen electric heater, electric room heater, electric iron, electrical kettle. So these all are the examples of heating effect of electric current. Okay. And the amount of heat produced in a wire, वो किसके ऊपर depend करता है? Material, length and thickness of the wire. Next is, we have just discussed the heating effect of electric current. Afterwards, there is a magnetic, Vain Sharma, magnetic effect of electric current. So one more effect is there. Acha, before that, the use of electric fuse. Children, electric fuse is a safety device and it is used in the electric circuit to protect it. It is used in all the electrical circuits. Okay, because fuse wire melts very quickly and break the circuit. Next, beta. This question may be there. What is the function of electric fuse? Next. Next comes the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, can we read it? Afterwards, Bhumi Chaudhary.
Okay, ma'am. When electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Activity. Take the cardboard tray from a matchbox, bind an electric wire a few times around the cardboard tray, place a small compass needle inside it, connect the free ends of the wire to an electric cell through a switch. When the switch is on, the compass needle deflects. When the switch is off, the compass needle comes back to its original position. This shows that when electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet.
So I hope it is clear to you. What we have taken a mastic box, inside it what we have kept? Magnetic compass. And magnetic compass, and after that we have rolled the number of wires, number of turns on this electrical appliance or this mastic box and connected with the circuit. What will happen if the current will flow? The magnetic compass which is kept inside it, it shows deflection. ठीक है, इसमें जो needle है, it shows deflection. So it shows deflection. What does it shows? It shows the magnetic effect of electric current. Now see where it is used. Next is, let's see to it where this is used. So here is an activity. We can do this activity, very simple activity. We have to take iron nail and turn a wire on it, coil of insulated wire on it and connect it with the battery. Switch on the battery. जैसे ही हम बैटरी को ऑन करते हैं, what happens? This magnet, जो iron nail है, it start behaving like a magnet. ठीक है? How we'll come to know that it is behaving like a magnet? It attracts the pins towards it. Small, very small iron pins towards it. So this shows the presence of magnetic. And as soon as we switch off the current, then it stop behaving like a magnet. फिर दोबारा से ये किसकी तरह बिहेव करता है? आयरन की तरह ही बिहेव करता है. So means that magnetic effect is for the shorter interval of time. Next, beta. So its practical application is seen in the electric bell. So children, this question may be in 5 marks with diagram and labeling, as we have done the labeling in the mock paper. So you have to explain electric bell, on which principle it is based. So electric bell is based on the principle of, कौन से principle पे based है? Magnetic effect of electric current. Because देखो इसमें भी क्या है? This is a magnet. ये iron coil है, इस पे number of turns are there. So when the current is passed, it behaves like a magnet. When it behaves like a magnet, it attract the contact screw towards it. और जब ये अपनी तरफ attract करता, then what happens? This striker strike on the bell. Only then the sound of the bell is produced. Okay. When we switch it off, then what happens? Again, it comes to its original position and it stops behaving like a magnet. So this is the function of electric bell. And electric bell is based on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. So the children, this is your chapter number 14. I hope it is clear to you. If anything is left, you may ask.